Understanding On-Ride Camera, a guide for English language learners. Hello, and welcome to our language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, on-ride camera. This term might sound complex, but by the end of this video, you'll understand it perfectly. Let's dive in. First, let's break down the phrase. On-ride refers to something that happens or exists during a ride. A ride can be any form of transportation, like a roller coaster, a bike, or even a horse. So, when we say on-ride, we're talking about an experience that occurs while you're riding something. Next, let's discuss camera. A camera is a device used to take photos or record videos. Cameras can be big, small, digital, or even part of your phone. They capture moments so you can see them later. Now, let's combine the two terms. An on-ride camera is a camera that takes pictures or videos while you're on a ride. Think of a roller coaster. Ever see those photos taken during the ride? That's an on-ride camera in action. It captures the excitement and reactions of people during their ride. On-ride cameras are commonly found in amusement parks, especially on thrilling rides like roller coasters or water slides. They capture your reactions at the most exciting moments. These photos or videos are often available for purchase after the ride, giving you a fun memory of your experience. That's all about on-ride cameras. We hope this video helped clarify this interesting phrase and added a new term to your English vocabulary. Happy learning, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.